How to change emoji skin tone preference on GitHub. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to GitHub. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture. Then go down here, click on settings, as you can see. After you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page. Now go right here and click on this appearance option. After you click appearance, scroll down until you find emoji skin tone preference. Now choose the emoji skin tone that you want and click on it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.